Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to use NightCafe AI tool. Here you can go and type NightCafe AI. This one is the official website that you can use and generate AI images. You can generate different arts and many more. Here you can go creator.nightcafe.studio. Then you can start creating your free account. Click here continue with Google. Then allow access. And here you can complete your verification, and then now you can easily type anything that you want to create. You can also see this button create on the top right corner. For example, I want to type please generate image top 10 ways to make money online. Then scroll down, and here you can also select preset styles. Then click on create button. Now here you can see it is running. So within next few seconds we got this professional image. You can easily save this image in your laptop. You can duplicate, and also you can perform different operations. You can also edit and enhance. You can also go back, and here you can modify your prompt, and it will show you different results.